Welcome. The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents how you can make money from home. All you need is an internet connection. If you have been disappointed with work from home opportunities in the past, this one will make up for it. There is absolutely no cost and no experience is necessary. You can do this from anywhere in the world. In this video, you are about to discover 2 simple steps to earning $500 a day, $1,000 a day, and more. Step 1 is about how you can quickly get Google certification at no cost. In Step 2 you will see how to use your certification to make more money than you can imagine. All from home. Step 1 is to go to Google Skillshop. The URL will be in the description. At Google Skillshop you will find free online training to master Google tools. The training comes with certification which is also free. There are 8 training segments available. We suggest that you begin with Google Ads. You can add the other segments later. The more segments that you complete, the more value you have to offer. Therefore, the more money that you can make. As you can see, every certification of the training is beginner friendly. Each certification takes a few hours. In order to get your certification, you will need to score 80% or higher. If you have any problems passing the test, the good news is that you can take it again. You have unlimited attempts. How much money can you make? Let's take a look at some real-life examples. 3 ways that you can make $500 to $1,000 and more per day. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn that like button black. Do that, right now. Thank you. You are watching the Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce. If you have not yet joined this channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded. The second step in this video is about the money. I will be sharing 3 sites that you can use to earn a substantial income with your certifications. The first site is Fiverr, which is a site where you can post your services. It is fiverr.com. Let's type in Google Ads and see what others are making. The first one has done at least 471 jobs starting at $75 each. He has made at least $35,325. The fourth one charges $600 on up per job, and has done at least 214 jobs. That is a total of $128,400. I hope that you are beginning to see that there is real money to be made. Let's look at 2 more sites. You will find links to all these sites below. At a site called People Per Hour, Google Ads are costing between $70 and $780. At a site called Upwork, people are charging $85 to $200 per hour. Notice that Josh has earned over $400,000. Want to look at one more opportunity to earn money from home? If so, I invite you to check out Mr. P's #1 recommendation for making money. You will find the link below.